Have you ever heard that a simple kitchen staple could be the key to solving some of your most nagging health problems? Well, it's true. Baking soda, yes, that white powder sitting in your pantry, is more than just a baking ingredient. When used correctly, it can help ease discomfort and support your health in ways you might never expect. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to reveal how you can use baking soda to improve your health naturally. From calming heartburn to preventing kidney stones and even soothing skin conditions, baking soda is a surprisingly powerful remedy. But before you rush to mix it up, it's important to know the right ways to use baking soda safely and effectively. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step through 6 common health problems that baking soda can help with, and exactly how to apply it for the best results. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to harness this affordable, natural solution to feel better and live healthier. How to use baking soda safely. Before we explore its health benefits, it's important to use baking soda safely. For internal use, dissolve about half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it once a day, preferably on an empty stomach or between meals. Avoid taking more than the recommended amount, and don't use it for several days in a row without consulting a healthcare professional. Baking soda contains sodium, so if you have high blood pressure or kidney issues, check with your doctor first. For skin use, mix baking soda with water to form a paste or add it to your bath for soothing relief. Always test a small skin area first to avoid irritation. Health problem number 1. Acid reflux and heartburn. Acid, reflux, and heartburn affect millions of people worldwide, causing that uncomfortable burning sensation in the chest or throat. This happens when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, irritating its sensitive lining. Normally, your stomach produces hydrochloric acid to break down food. But when this acid escapes the stomach, it leads to discomfort. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline. When you dissolve it in water and drink it, the baking soda quickly reacts with the excess hydrochloric acid in your stomach. This reaction produces salt, water, and carbon dioxide, effectively neutralizing the acid and reducing the acidity in your digestive tract. This neutralization helps calm the burning sensation almost immediately. Over time, regularly using baking soda in small, controlled amounts can help protect the esophageal lining from acid damage and reduce the frequency of heartburn episodes. However, it's important not to overuse baking soda because excess can cause an imbalance in your stomach's natural acidity, so moderation is key. Health problem number 2. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, often cause painful burning sensations during urination and frequent urges to go. The infection creates an acidic environment in your bladder and urethra, which helps bacteria multiply and inflames the urinary tract tissues. Drinking a diluted baking soda solution helps by increasing the pH level of your urine, making it more alkaline. This shift in pH creates an environment that is less hospitable for harmful bacteria. Alkaline urine reduces irritation and burning sensations during urination, providing much-needed relief. While baking soda does not cure UTIs or replace antibiotics, it can be a helpful complementary approach. By soothing symptoms, it supports your body's immune defenses, making it easier to clear the infection. Always consult a healthcare professional if you suspect you have a UTI, and use baking soda as a supportive treatment only. Health problem number 3. Kidney stones. Prevention. Kidney stones form when certain minerals crystallize in the urine. One major risk factor is acidic urine, which promotes the formation of uric acid and calcium oxalate stones. These stones can cause severe pain, block urine flow, and lead to infections if untreated. Baking soda helps by raising the pH of your urine, making it less acidic. This alkalizing effect dissolves uric acid crystals and helps prevent calcium oxalate stones from growing larger. By reducing urine acidity, baking soda creates a less favorable environment for stone formation. Regular, moderate consumption of baking soda mixed in water can support kidney health by keeping your urine pH balanced. However, people with high blood pressure or kidney disease should be cautious and consult a doctor before using baking soda for this purpose, as it contains sodium, which can affect blood pressure. Health problem number 4: muscle pain and fatigue. After intense exercise or physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid as a byproduct of energy metabolism. When lactic acid builds up, it lowers the pH in muscle tissue, leading to that familiar soreness, stiffness, and fatigue. Baking soda acts as a natural buffering agent that neutralizes excess lactic acid. When consumed as a baking soda solution, it helps your body maintain a balanced pH in the muscles, reducing acidity and speeding up recovery time. Alternatively, soaking in a warm bath with baking soda allows the mineral to be absorbed through the skin, which can help relieve muscle cramps and soreness. This alkaline boost supports faster muscle repair, lessens inflammation caused by overexertion, and improves overall muscle function after exercise. Health problem number 5: skin conditions, eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Baking soda's benefits extend to the skin, especially for inflammatory conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. These conditions often involve redness, itching, swelling, and sometimes bacterial infections on the skin surface. Applying a paste made from baking soda and water or soaking in a baking soda bath can soothe irritated skin. Baking soda's alkaline properties neutralize excess skin acidity, which helps reduce inflammation and calm itching. Moreover, its mild antiseptic effect inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria on the skin, supporting healing and preventing further infection. This natural approach helps restore the skin's normal pH balance and promotes tissue repair without the harsh chemicals often found in conventional treatments. Health problem number 6: bad breath and oral health. Baking soda is a common ingredient in oral care because of its natural deodorizing and gentle abrasive qualities. Bad breath, tooth decay, and gum disease often result from acid buildup and bacterial growth in the mouth. Using baking soda as a mouth rinse or toothpaste ingredient helps neutralize acids produced by bacteria, balancing the mouth's pH. This reduces the number of odor-causing bacteria and prevents plaque buildup, which leads to healthier gums and fresher breath. In addition, baking soda gently removes surface stains from teeth, whitening your smile naturally without damaging tooth enamel like some harsher whitening agents. For these reasons, many dentists recommend occasional use of baking soda as part of a good oral hygiene routine. So, there you have it. 6 surprising health problems that baking soda can help ease or even prevent when used correctly. From calming acid reflux and supporting urinary health to soothing muscles, skin, and keeping your mouth fresh, baking soda is truly a versatile and affordable natural remedy. Remember, though, while baking soda can be incredibly helpful, it's not a cure-all or a replacement for professional medical treatment. Always use it safely, follow the recommended amounts, and consult your healthcare provider if you have any health conditions or are taking medications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Also, share your experiences or questions about baking soda in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Thanks for watching, And here's to your health and well-being, naturally and simply.